Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at Axie. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Axie is a global online trading broker specializing in Forex and CFDs, offering competitive pricing, high liquidity, and flexible leverage. With a reputation for reliability and innovation, Axie provides powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4, educational resources, and award-winning customer service. Trusted by traders worldwide, it offers seamless trading across a wide variety of products, with ultra-fast execution and low spreads. Founded in 2007, Axie is committed to long-term success with transparent services and a range of tools to help traders improve their skills. Axie provides traders with access to a wide array of market instruments, enabling them to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on various market opportunities. Their available instruments include Forex, shares, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. This extensive selection allows traders to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on various market opportunities. Axie is a globally regulated broker, ensuring a secure trading environment through oversight by multiple financial authorities, which mainly include the ASIC and the FCA. These regulations ensure Axie adheres to strict standards of conduct, providing transparency, security, and financial protection for clients. These bodies enforce guidelines to safeguard client interests and maintain a fair and efficient trading environment. Axie offers various promotions and bonuses to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These include trading competitions with cash prizes, cashback bonuses, welcome bonuses, and incentives for new and existing clients. Promotions may vary by region and are subject to terms and conditions. The broker offers cashback bonuses that reward traders based on their trading volume. These programs provide rebates on executed trades, allowing clients to earn cashback directly into their accounts. The cashback structure varies depending on the promotion, with eligibility and payout conditions outlined in these specific terms. Axie's cashback bonuses aim to enhance trading value and incentivize active participation. The broker's Refer a Friend program allows traders to earn rewards for introducing new clients to the platform. Both the referring trader and the new client can benefit from the program, with bonuses given once the new client completes certain requirements. This initiative is designed to reward existing users while expanding Axie's community. Their affiliate program provides an opportunity to earn commissions by referring new clients. Affiliates can earn commission per qualified client, with the potential for additional earnings through sub-affiliate commissions. The program offers tiered payment structures, marketing tools, and detailed performance tracking. Affiliates benefit from Axie's trusted global brand and comprehensive support, including dedicated account managers. Axie offers a powerful suite of trading platforms, including the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and its WebTrader. These platforms provide traders with advanced features like raw spreads, high liquidity, and fast execution. Axie focuses on offering a seamless trading experience with access to over 220 products and ultra-competitive pricing. Whether using the desktop or mobile platform, traders can take advantage of flexible leverage and innovative tools to optimize their trading strategies. Axie also provides dedicated customer support and educational resources to enhance user experience. Axie's proprietary trading platform is designed for advanced traders seeking fast, intuitive access to the markets. It offers powerful charting tools, customizable features, and low-latency execution for optimal trading performance. The platform combines the ease of use with sophisticated capabilities for executing complex strategies. With Axie's platform, users benefit from enhanced trade management and greater flexibility, catering to both new and experienced traders. Axie's MetaTrader 4 platform is a highly popular tool for Forex and CFD trading. Known for its user-friendly interface and advanced features, it offers comprehensive charting tools, technical indicators, and automated trading capabilities. Traders can also customize the platform to suit their strategies, ensuring an efficient and flexible trading experience. With Axie's MetaTrader 4 platform, users enjoy fast order execution, robust security, and access to a wide range of markets. Additionally, the broker offers a copy trading platform, which allows users to follow and replicate the trades of experienced traders. It provides an easy-to-use interface, enabling both novice and advanced traders to leverage the strategies of others. By simply selecting a trader to copy, users can benefit from real-time trade execution and diversified portfolios, all while managing their own risk. It's designed to offer a seamless trading experience with the flexibility to customize preferences. The broker also offers a range of trading tools designed to enhance traders' performance. These tools include advanced charting, real-time news feeds, economic calendars, and a variety of technical indicators. They help users make informed decisions and manage risks more effectively. Additionally, Axie's tools are designed for both novice and experienced traders, providing them with the flexibility and functionality needed to optimize their strategies. Axie offers several types of trading accounts, catering to different needs. The accounts provide access to various market conditions and tools, including competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and advanced trading platforms. Each account type is designed to suit different levels of experience, from beginners to advanced traders, offering tailored support and resources. The broker's standard trading account is ideal for traders looking for a straightforward, flexible option. It provides competitive spreads and no hidden fees with the simplicity of a traditional trading experience. This account type allows traders to access a wide range of markets from Forex to commodities, all while benefiting from Axie's reliable platforms and tools. The standard account is a perfect fit for both beginners and intermediate traders seeking ease of use and a solid foundation for their trading journey. The broker's Pro Trading account is tailored for experienced traders seeking the best possible trading conditions. This account offers raw spreads starting from 0.0 pips and low commissions, providing tighter pricing for those utilizing advanced strategies. Traders benefit from enhanced execution speed, more flexible leverage options, and access to a broad range of global markets. Additionally, the Pro account offers superior customer support and advanced tools, all within a platform designed for serious traders looking to optimize their performance. Axie's Elite Trading account is a premium account designed for professional and high-volume traders who require top-tier trading conditions. This account type provides clients with access to exclusive features, including raw spreads starting from 0.0 pips, low commission rates, and high leverage options. The Elite account offers superior execution speeds, ensuring faster order placement and optimal performance for those executing large or complex trades. Traders with an Elite account also benefit from personalized support, including dedicated account managers and advanced trading tools, such as exclusive market insights and premium educational resources. The account is ideal for those looking to maximize their trading potential with a more tailored experience, whether through a desktop or mobile platform. The broker also offers a demo trading account, which is an excellent tool for both new and experienced traders who want to practice and refine their strategies without risking real capital. The demo account offers a fully functional trading environment with access to Axie's range of platforms, including MetaTrader 4, allowing users to simulate real market conditions. Traders can practice executing trades, using various order types, and testing their strategies in a risk-free environment with virtual funds. This account type helps traders build confidence, develop skills, and familiarize themselves with the features and tools Axie offers, such as charting tools, indicators, and market analysis. The demo account is fully customizable, offering flexibility to adjust to different trading styles. It's the ideal starting point for anyone new to the world of online trading or anyone looking to refine their techniques before moving to a live account. Axi's Islamic trading account is designed for traders who wish to adhere to Sharia law while trading in the financial markets. This account type operates without swaps or rollover interest, ensuring that it complies with Islamic principles, which prohibit earnings or paying interest. The Islamic account offers the same competitive spreads, low commissions, and access to advanced trading platforms as the standard trading accounts, but without any overnight financing fees. Traders using the Islamic account can still access a wide range of markets while enjoying the flexibility of high leverage and fast execution. This account type is ideal for traders who require an ethical trading solution without compromising on performance, providing them with a seamless and compliant trading experience. Creating an account with Axi is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you will want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. What you'll want to do next is submit your personal information to create your account. Once your account has been submitted, you will need to then verify your account and submit your preferred trading account type. The next step after your account has been submitted and verified would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Axi. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of Axi's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. The MetaTrader platforms provide a wide variety of chart types and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. And at the top of the dashboard, a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, Axi provides a wide range of video tutorials to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Alternatively, you can head over to the MetaTrader official website for a more in-depth look at how to start trading. The broker offers a variety of local and international deposit and withdrawal options for traders. These methods include credit and debit cards, local bank transfers, PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, and mobile money services. Deposits are processed instantly with no fees, while withdrawals can take between 1 to 3 days, depending on the method used. Axi provides a secure and convenient platform for traders to manage their funds, with a focus on minimal fees and efficient processing times. The broker also provides an extensive array of educational resources to help traders at all levels enhance their skills and knowledge. These resources include free ebooks, online courses with the Axi Academy, and video tutorials that cover various aspects of trading. The platform also offers webinars and workshops where expert traders share insights, strategies, and tips. Additionally, Axi's trading glossary and blog provide valuable information on key trading terms and market trends. These resources are designed to help traders develop a comprehensive understanding of the financial markets. Additionally, the broker's news and analysis resources offer traders access to real-time economic news, market updates, and expert commentary, helping them stay informed on the latest market trends and key events. These insights are designed to provide valuable context for making informed trading decisions. Axi's blog and analysis sections dive deep into market movements, highlighting key opportunities and risks. By leveraging these resources, traders can enhance their market understanding and optimize their strategies for better performance. Over its years of service, Axie has received many prestigious awards for excellence in the online trading industry. These accolades reflect the company's commitment to providing superior trading experiences with a focus on transparency, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Some of their most recent awards include the Best CFD Provider, the Best Forex Provider, the Best Forex Trading Platform, among many other awards. The broker has been recognized for offering the best trading platforms, most trusted brokers, and outstanding affiliate programs, with notable awards spanning regions including Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America. These recognitions underscore the broker's reputation as a leading global broker dedicated to meeting the needs of its diverse client base. Overall, Axie has solidified its position as a reputable and innovative player in the online trading space. With a rich history and a customer-centric approach, it continues to offer traders worldwide the tools, resources, and support needed to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. Axie's commitment to providing competitive spreads, robust trading platforms, and an expansive range of instruments, such as Forex, commodities, and indices, demonstrates its versatility in meeting the diverse needs of traders. One of the standout features of Axie is its dedication to technology and education, ensuring that traders, whether beginners or seasoned professionals, have access to the latest trading tools, research, and educational resources. This emphasis on continuous learning and adapting to the evolving market conditions empowers clients to make informed trading decisions. Additionally, Axie's regulation by top-tier authorities ensures a secure trading environment, giving traders peace of mind when it comes to safeguarding their funds and personal data. Moreover, Axie's customer service is second to none, offering responsive and knowledgeable support to assist clients whenever necessary. With multiple account types to suit different trading preferences and strategies, Axie delivers a tailored experience for traders at every level. The broker represents a well-rounded choice for those seeking a reliable and comprehensive trading experience. Its focus on transparency, security, and customer satisfaction ensures that it will remain a top contender for traders who value professionalism and innovation in their trading journey. Whether one is just starting out or looking to refine their trading strategies, Axie provides the tools and support needed to achieve success in the dynamic and ever-changing world of trading. And that is our overview of Axie. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.